Join me as I take on the challenge of designing a card-based UI that's not just functional but will totally blow your mind. Card-based user interfaces have become increasingly popular in modern design, and for good reason. They're flexible, they're easy to use, and they provide a great way to present complex information in a concise and visually appealing way. But what makes a card-based UI truly effective? That's what we're going to explore in this video. From e-commerce sites to social media platforms, card-based UIs are everywhere. And as designers, we're constantly looking for new ways to push the boundaries of what's possible with this design pattern. But despite their popularity, card-based UIs can be deceptively difficult to get right. In an age where user attention spans are shorter than ever, it's more important than ever to create interfaces that are not just functional, but also engaging and visually stunning. So let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes a card-based UI truly unforgettable. Designing a card-based UI that truly blows your mind requires a deep understanding of user behavior and psychology. It requires a willingness to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. And it requires a commitment to creating an experience that's not just functional, but truly exceptional. Moving on to the challenges designers face when creating card-based interfaces. One of the biggest challenges designers face when creating card-based interfaces is maintaining user engagement. How do you keep users interested and invested in your content when they're presented with a never-ending stream of cards? It's a tough problem to solve, and one that requires a deep understanding of user behavior and psychology. Another challenge is ensuring functionality. Card-based UIs can be notoriously difficult to navigate, especially when it comes to features like filtering and sorting. How do you provide users with the tools they need to find what they're looking for without overwhelming them with options? And then there's the issue of information density. Card-based UIs can be incredibly information-rich, but they can also be overwhelming if not designed carefully. How do you strike a balance between providing users with the information they need and avoiding information overload? Finally, there's the issue of consistency. Card-based UIs can be notoriously difficult to maintain consistency across different devices and platforms. How do you ensure that your design looks and feels great no matter where users are accessing it? Despite these challenges, card-based UIs remain one of the most powerful design patterns in the industry. So what can we do to overcome these challenges and create truly exceptional card-based UIs? When it comes to designing effective card-based UIs, one of the most important things to consider is layout. The way you arrange your cards on the page can have a huge impact on user engagement and behavior. Another key consideration is color scheme. The colors you choose for your cards can have a huge impact on user emotions and behavior. Typography is also crucial. The font you choose for your cards can greatly affect the readability and overall aesthetic of your design. In addition to these design principles, there are a number of best practices you can follow to ensure your card-based UI is truly exceptional. One of the most important is to keep it simple. Another best practice is to make sure your cards are highly customizable. This allows users to tailor their experience to their individual needs and preferences. You should also make sure your cards are highly discoverable. This means providing users with clear and intuitive ways to find the information they need. In addition to these best practices, there are a number of innovative techniques you can use to take your card-based UI to the next level. One of the most exciting is the use of animations and micro-interactions. Another innovative technique is the use of gamification elements. By incorporating elements like points, badges, and leaderboards into your design, you can create a more engaging and interactive experience for users. Finally, there's the use of machine learning and AI. By incorporating machine learning algorithms into your design, you can create a more personalized and adaptive experience for users. With these design principles and best practices in mind, let's take a look at a real-world example of a card-based UI that truly blows your mind. Airbnb's card-based UI is a masterclass in effective design. From the moment you land on the homepage, you're presented with a stunning array of cards that showcase the beauty and diversity of Airbnb's listings. What really sets Airbnb's design apart is its use of high-quality images and bold typography. The result is a design that's both visually stunning and highly functional. Another key feature of Airbnb's design is its use of filtering and sorting tools. These tools allow users to quickly and easily find the perfect listing for their needs. But what really takes Airbnb's design to the next level is its use of machine learning algorithms. These algorithms allow the site to provide users with personalized recommendations based on their search history and preferences. The result is a design that's not just functional, but truly exceptional. So what can we learn from Airbnb's approach to card-based UI design? Ultimately, the key to designing a card-based UI that truly blows your mind is to focus on creating an experience that's not just functional, but truly exceptional. This means thinking outside the box and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this design pattern. It means being willing to experiment and take risks. And it means being committed to creating a design that's both visually stunning and highly functional. So what's the takeaway from all this? Designing a card-based UI that truly blows your mind requires a deep understanding of user behavior and psychology, as well as a willingness to innovate and take risks. If you're looking for more great content on UI design, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any favorite card-based UIs, let us know in the comments below.